Let's get back to the example we were working from, this very same page. You see that now we're loading faster, and now we're going to tackle other easy wins here. Now, what I see as the next easiest thing is just looking at the image sizes, and it's the fourth complaint thing about. So it's not the worst offending element, but as you can see, it is relatively close. You see top 5 things, they're all pretty close in how bad they are. So what we can do here is very quickly expand this and take a look. Okay, there are 3 images on this page, and one is quite big. Okay, you see this, the phone image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and compress this image, and then I'm going to upload the compressed version of it. And instead of this phone image that's there now, I'm going to have one that's very much reduced in size, the image that looks the same, but it's just going to take up less size for us, and it's going to be easier for the browser and faster for the browser to download. And then we're going to run this same test and compare these results to the results of how it would be if this image was much smaller. So I'm going to show you later in other parts of the course how to compress images. For now, I'm just going to run this test so you will quickly see the results. Now I've compressed that offending image that was too big, and I've uploaded it, and I reran this report. You can see our performance score went up a little bit. Our loading speeds went up slightly as well. So that's a win. And it only took a couple of minutes to resize the image and compress it. And then you see that all kinds of image issues, they're very low on the list. And the image issues, they take no more than 0.3 seconds of total load time. So we completely have a win on that. And if you compare this is after I've reduced the image size. You see serve images in next gen formats. It no longer complains about this. But I'll show you now, just to compare. You will see the previous time I ran this. See, the previous time I ran this, image issues took about a second, a little bit over a second. So now this problem is almost entirely gone. So you see, with just a small change, you can start having big wins in your page loading speed. In the next video, we'll tackle the very next issue.